Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Now we will tell you the news about the AmpCoin cryptocurrency. JPMorgan Chase joins growing list of investors in blockchain intelligence firm TRM Labs. Blockchain intelligence leader TRM Labs has announced a strategic investment from JPMorgan Chase & Company. According to the firm's press release, San Francisco-based TRM Labs has announced that JPMorgan Chase has joined the list of financial firms to invest in its crypto compliance and risk management technology. TRM's technology allows business, regulators and law enforcement to monitor cryptocurrency transactions for suspicious activity, and to trace the movement of stolen or other illicitly obtained funds. Esteban Castano, co-founder and CEO of TRM, said his company was thrilled to use the investment opportunity to work towards building a safer crypto economy for all. He continued, "This investment clearly highlights the significance of the growing crypto economy and the importance of building trust and safety in this ecosystem to sustain its growth." Umer Farouk, CEO of Onyx by JP Morgan, said TRM's vision to drive security and integrity in crypto ecosystems was aligned with the investment bank's ambition for building blockchain products. Farouk explained that JP Morgan intended to leverage infrastructure companies like TRM to help usher in the future of secure blockchain and crypto use cases. TRM's transaction monitoring solution allows financial institutions and businesses to meet anti-money laundering (AML) regulatory requirements and manage their operational risk. Law enforcement agencies can also use the company's forensics tool to investigate crypto-related crime. Mike Dudas explains why most DAOs are neither decentralized nor autonomous. LinkSAO, a decentralized autonomous organization aspiring to reimagine the idea of the tax division of the U.S. Department of Justice, ordered the IRS to issue a refund of $3,793 on a letter dated December 20, 2021. The jurors received a $4,001.83, $3,793, plus $208.03 of interest under 26 U.S.C. 6611, calculated to January 28, 2022, refund check on February 14, 2022. Interestingly, the jurors refused to accept the refund because the IRS didn't acknowledge the true reasoning for issuing the refund. This reasoning is essential to create a precedent for other stakers to protect themselves from IRS scrutiny in the future. The jurors decided to take this to the court to get a formal court ruling. In a court document dated February 28, 2022, the tax division of U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, dismissed the jurors' attempt to get an official ruling from the court on staking. In the document, the DOJ argues that the jurors' case is moot. In other words, there's no issue that remains unsettled, open to argument or debatable, because the IRS has issued a full refund including the interest, exactly what the jurors requested. Here, the United States granted a full refund of the amount the jurors asked for in the complaint, with interest and without receiving anything in return. It was not an offer to compromise the case with each party giving up something. Thus, there is nothing left to adjudicate. Plaintiff sued for a refund and received a full refund. When the United States tenders full payment of a refund even during litigation, no case or controversy remains, and the refund claim is moot. Moreover, the DOJ disagrees with the position that the jurors can seek to get a court ruling on staking income by refusing to accept the refund. The DOJ argues that the court can issue a refund for any reason other than the one raised by the taxpayer. The jurors also initiated this lawsuit to find out the reasons behind the IRS issuing a refund, so they, and others, can use this as a basis to protect themselves from future IRS scrutiny on similar matters. The DOJ stresses that prospective relief is unavailable in a refund suite. Each tax year is unique, and a court ruling related to a certain tax year cannot be relied upon to get relief for future years. In certain cases, there are exceptions to the concept of moot mentioned here. The Dodge also explains that the JERS case is not eligible for any of these exceptions to warrant a court case either. Let's take a look at the near future of AmpCoin, but before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency